You don't care what the market is doing?
This is meant to be a retreat.
Then I won't take up much of your time.
Why would you take up any of it?
Because we have an enemy in common, Harry Doherty.
You're not a member of this club.
I'm not a member of any club. My name is Thompson. You may have heard of me. Or not. In any case, the Attorney General and I have had dealings, but those dealings have come to an end.
And the nature of these dealings would be?
Circumvention of the Volstead Act. Should I continue? I make no excuses for myself. I'm a businessman. A small businessman, and I'm sure you can understand that. But for Harry Doherty, the chief law enforcement officer of the United States, to be involved with, in fact be the head of a large criminal conspiracy, something is wrong with the country, Mr. Secretary. Something is very wrong.
Your sense of patriotism is offended, Mr. Thompson.
Isn't yours?
Doherty's nothing but a shabby little huckster.
I thought so.
The whole lot of them are. That's what democracy gets you. Bandits, fighting over a cut of the loot.
The income tax.
Sanctioned robbery with no constitutional basis.
And prohibition.
A child's idea of morality.
I don't envy your position. But I hope you'll allow me to say we, can do something about that. A bargain. You have the power to arrest George Remus, the biggest bootlegger in the country, with direct, ongoing ties to Doherty and the men who work for him. Arrest Remus and force Doherty to show his hand.
A man doesn't indict himself.
Then you'll have something on him to use when you need it. That may be valuable, maybe more.
And that would be your bargain?
Your distillery, overhauled. If it's sticking my craw for the government, what I could or couldn't do with my own property, no matter how trivial it seemed. But that's how I am. It's the little things that eat at me.
And you would rectify this how?
I would run it for you. It's a field I have some expertise in. You want to know anything about it, we never speak again. All you'd see is the money, and there's always a way to hide that. Is that a yes? Even a perhaps?
You brought some color to my day, Mr. Thompson, and I do appreciate that. There's no cause for a scene, but this gentleman is an interloper. Please be ready to call the police in the event that he doesn't leave the premises immediately.
I will see myself out.